Cheers.
Starting at the top, I'll go through our modification first and then the full exercise after. Slightly easier modification, you can drop one leg down and tap the other down. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Press your left palm down into your mat. Inhale, lift both of your feet up off of your mat. Exhale, take them to the corner of your mat. Three more here. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, take 6, 5, 4. We're gonna take baby pulses in 3, 2, and 1. Start to pulse it up, up for 6. We're turning over to the left side in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Bo just did his first Pilates class.
You feel me? Out here feeling all stretched and stuff.
Relaxed and centered. It's 8 a.m. I brought him to my spot. We are here and he made us late, so that's why I'm all the way in the back. Y'all know I'm usually all the way up there, but you know, black people.
Lies.
Oh, you just can't go to the bean?
No, the park is closed, but we'll be back open at 9:30.
Okay.
Oh, in 30 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, we just got to clear it out right now.
Okay. All right. Where you going?
You too.
We going this way. He ain't never seen the bean. You want to wait?
I'm right here. I can't see the bean.
We trying to see the bean, y'all. He ain't never seen the bean before.
They come from the west side.
No.
Yeah, all the beans on the west side.
They got
bean
some bean heads.
Bean tacos. Pinto beans, black
Pinto beans, all that.
beans.
But they ain't get this bean. And any other West Sider would say he still ain't no true Chicagoan because they be coming downtown. He just ain't never came downtown to see the dang on bean, which is crazy. So judge him.
I've been living my life.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it.
I'm down here now.
Here he go. But
How many people did Pilates in the park from the west side of Chicago? Nobody.
Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, we finna go put our mats up and then go back. So, for some strange reason, all of the water in the house just ran out yesterday. So, this is my first time having water since like 8 o'clock. It's ridiculous, actually. I was very, very parched. Cheers.
There's more to Chicago
Than downtown, for sure. There is.
West side.
I don't.
West side.
I
You
don't.
got the west side. You don't need nothing else.
I don't think that's the more. About to go to the bull. Yeah. You want to take a picture on the bull? You gonna get on? Y'all, you just want a picture? Oh, okay. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's better. You good? Y'all, we was just in here. We had to leave so we can come back and come to the metal detectors, and it's 1,000 people just trying to take him so he can see the beam. Put some pep. We got to go through metal detectors because they have no event. Y'all not gonna be able to turn them people around. Why the heck would y'all leave it? That don't even make sense. Why y'all would have that open? Hey y'all, took him to the bean for the first time. He excited. He don't know how to act. Born a bean.
Born a bean.
Born a bean. Show him your dance from next to the bean. Y'all think dnia be acting the fool? This one? Crazy. Okay.